video. So I got a few things wrong with this truck. I mean, this truck, I like it, I really do, but it just has so many issues. Like I fixed the this sunroof didn't want to open, so I had to take all this stuff off, and so I can fix that. And then I had the heater blend door passenger side not working, so I took it out, put a new one, and now it's giving me issues where it only turns clockwise. It doesn't turn the other way. No matter if I put the hot, it doesn't go the opposite direction. It just goes one side. I'll show you in a second. And then here you have the tire pressure sensor fault. So I just bought the sensors, all four. I'll do a review on that. And then now, so I went to the junkyard, and I hope this works. I just bought this the front thing on this thing, so hopefully that fixes that issue, because the heater blend or actuator, whatever, it is working because it's a new one, but like I said, it's only turning clockwise. And now the driver's side is messing up. So if you don't get on it really quick, then another thing happens. Like me, now you got three things right here. And so let's see if you can hear it. I think if you turn it, you hear that? And that's the worst one. That's the driver's side, where I got to remove all this stuff. I mean, you can remove the dash if but I saw some guy. I'll probably try to put the link if I can figure that out on this video. So I was hitting the radio switch, but I was just trying to see if I can make it go. Oh, you can hear it again. When does it go off? I can hear it. I can hear a little noise. There you go. Okay, that's kind of boring. So onwards, let's talk about that. So right now, I'll remove all this. There's plenty of videos where it shows how to remove all this on these trucks. So I'll just take it out, because this is kind of like a more rare thing. Usually when the heater blend door teeth break or whatever, it just makes that knocking noise, and that's it. That's the issue. Easily fixed. I mean, it's a little complicated. The screw's a little hard, but it is easy. But when it just turns clockwise and doesn't turn the other way around, so then that makes like, what the heck is it? And I have taken off the fuse number 15, whatever, a few minutes, and done all that stuff, and it still keeps on turning just clockwise. So this is more of those issues where just replacing it doesn't work, and you want to hopefully I can help somebody out with this situation. So I'll take this off. I'll show you. I'll plug the right now it's not on there. It's plugged, but it's not connected to the actual door where it moves it, because I've been using a dime and putting it inside the teeth on the heater blend door, the actual door itself. And like, if it's winter, I'll put it hot, and it's cold, I put it I mean, now again, I'm getting all confused. So when it's hot, I put it cold. When it's cold, I put it hot. And I've been doing that for a few months now, and it's getting to the point where now the other one is knocking, and soon it's gonna go out, and I gotta fix that one, and I might as well just go ahead and start fixing everything. Yeah, and not because I'm like really lazy to do it, but it's kind of expensive to be doing all that stuff, but it has to be done. Sorry for All right, okay, it's time for action. All right, recording. So I want to see if I can capture this so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I took the radio out. It's over there. I just connected the AC part. I don't know if, but can you guys see that thing just turning? You see, it only turns clockwise. So I'll move it. It'll put it hot, but it won't go back the other way. So that's why it's I don't have it plugged. I just had it out like that for a while. The getaway. Yep. So, and like I said, that is new. That's a new part. I bought that from the OEM Motorcraft Ford, you know, whatever you call it. And so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this part off and add this used one I bought. Backwards. So I got this for like $200. At the dealer place is a little over $400. I know I'm taking a risk buying used, but the guy said connect it, put it on today, and if it doesn't work, you can take it back. That's why if that fixes that issue, then hell yeah, I'll just keep it. If not, I'll return it back. I mean, I don't know what else could it be, yeah. So let's just try it. All right. So I don't know if you guys wanted me to record this or not, but it's only 4 screws. So it's one here, like 20 here, on this side, this and this. Now they're all loose. I already loosened them up. Let's see. So there's 1, there's 2, this one here, 3, and this one here. Wow. Weird. So there it is. So take that one out, and then I'm going to replace it with this other used one. All right, that's simple. Put it back and put it in the truck and see what it does. All right, put it in. I need to move the key and see if it moves the key forward. Now it's working. There it is. I don't know if you guys saw how, man, I didn't have. Look, now it moves both. It was moving the opposite. Now it was moving clockwise, then counterclockwise. I think it was setting itself, to where it should be for the door. So yeah, that was the issue. Like, I'm sorry guys, I'm kind of excited. This has been quite a ordeal for me. So I'm gonna put it in place. Put the screws back on there. That back screw one is a mother. And then I'm gonna take the number 15 fuse out, let it reset, and then this should be working. Awesome. All right. Let me put everything back on there and reset the fuse and all that stuff, and then we'll turn the AC on and see if it works fine. Awesome. All right. Update. So yeah, so now it's working. Hold on one second. Try and put that down. Yeah, so this side is blowing hot air now, and I put it at 84, 85, 90. man, it's hot and nice. Then I move it, like I said. So it's 70. Oh my goodness. There you go. So that's the issue. When you have the teeth, the motor just spinning to the clockwise, the right, and man, what was it? A challenge to put those teeth back in there because it was moving. It has like a certain, like a little gap, a little bigger gap, so it fits in, and that took me a little while. And then to put the back screw on that little motor on the other side, that's quite challenging too. So, but you can get that done. And like I said, there's quite a few videos of the actual, installation of that, just that blend door actuator motor, whatever they call it. It should take you maybe an hour, 2 hours, depends how how hard you want to fight it. But man, now my other issue is the other motor, the blend door actuator on the driver's side. Let's see if it'll do it. It's 77. Let's do 60. Alright, so it's blowing nice. And it's 68, 70, 71, 77, 78, 80. Oh, you guys hear that? Da, 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 da. Yep. So it's not as bad. It's still, it's still working, but I might as well. I got the little motor thing, and might as well do it. But hopefully this weekend, if I get a chance to do it this weekend, that's the plan. What else? Yeah. Oh, and then I gotta fix the, like I said, the tire pressure sensor thing. I'll do a review. I got them in the house, and I bought them on eBay, and I'll show you where and which ones I got, and take them and get them put on. All right, sounds good. Hope this helps you out. Like I said, I don't think I've seen a video about this sort of situation, so hopefully this helps you guys out. So at the end, it was just the little control panel here. It was not sending a signal, I guess, to the little motor, blend door motor, so it turns the opposite direction. All right, well, thanks for watching my videos, and subscribe, and yeah, it's awesome. Hey, just wanted to say that I really do like the truck. Don't get me wrong. It's a pretty cool truck. It does have quite a few miles on it, so everything's gonna break. Everything man-made breaks. So, but yeah, just it just felt like it was everything was falling, like right after another. So that's why I was getting a little frustrating. But don't get me wrong, love the truck. And I got something I gotta unbox later too. I don't know if you guys see a different grill, a different look. Yes. So I'm gonna install that on the truck, and I am gonna paint the rims. What do they call it? Plastic something. Can't remember. Gotta look at the paint, whatever. But doing that, changing the transmission fluid, maybe brakes, changing tires, so many things. But all right, thanks for subscribing and watching.